Look at the picture. Jump right if you like and jump left if you don't like. Advika, do you like grapes?
Yes, I like.
Sanskar, do you like grapes?
Yes, I don't like.
Mahira, do you like grapes?
No, I don't like.
Deepasvi, do you like grapes?
Yes. Yes, I like. Yes, I like.
Priyanshu, do you like grapes?
Yes, I like.
Atharva, do you like grapes?
No, I don't like.
Avantika, do you like grapes?
Yes, I like this.
Do you Arpita, do you like grapes?
No, I don't like.
Surya, do you like grapes?
No,